And guys, let's go to the room and try to keep and try to keep the shoes. Okay? You want to follow? Come. Of course, they follow me. They always follow me wherever I go. Okay? Here. I'm gonna put the shoes. It's very hot here. Okay, we're gonna put the shoes there. Wait, shoes. Oh, here, shoes. Okay. Shoes anak. Put shoes first. Shoes of daddy. Ayan. Two. Let's put the white together. White. White. Where's the other one? Missing? Where's the other one? Okay, white together. This is black. Okay. This is too big. The shoes is too big. Ah! One is missing. Jojo, did you see the shoes, anak? Shoes. One missing. One missing. Oh, they have plenty of shoes, anak. There's too many shoes, guys. Too many shoes. Ayan. These can keep. What shoes is that? Let's put all in car shoes. Oh, so many shoes. Right. Okay, now we can keep. That's good thing. Ayan. Huh? We play later, okay? I know you want to play. Okay, guys, oh. Ayan, very comfy. Yan, I can keep under the chair, under the bed. Okay. Now, Bobby cannot go inside. Let's go take the other one. Oh, I still have so many things to iron there. Okay, let's go and take the other one. Okay, now. Hello, everyone. I'm Hello. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, now, we can put, ayan, mga aso ko. Ayan, ano? Don't do that in front of the light, my love. No? Bobby, no. Behave, Bobby, behave. I don't want you to do that. It's no good. Okay? No good, no good. Okay, we can put some of the shoes there. Okay, this is two big shoes. And all these sleepers. They have so many sleepers. Okay. Okay, and then we take some of the shoes there. Sleepers. Sleepers. Okay. One there. Okay. Sleepers. Sleepers. You can take two more. Two more shoes. Okay. Ayan. So, that's cool. That's cool. Who is this? Somebody here? Shut. MSLOG 4 million viewers. Let's see how to see the comment.